So here we have this pet air purifier. So it comes in this box, it's nicely packed, and this is what you get when you open it. You also get a little brush to clean all the hair and all the dirt and all that from the filters. It has two sides, one side that's a little spiky rubber and the other side that's smooth and it has small little ridges. You get this plug right here to plug it in. But before you do anything, before you turn it on both sides there's this little paper and it says you need to remove the plastic film from the filters. So you just take this out and you put the filter right back in. Take off the film, put the filter in. You leave the tabs on the outside, these little white tabs. I don't know if you can see them. So when you remove it, it's a lot easier to take it out. So take that out, pop that back in, and then do it the same thing on the other side for the other filter. So there you go, really nice filters. You can see they're pretty thick, and this comes off. There's Velcro on the edges, so you could wash this with water or just with the brush, dry, however you want to do it. So let's put this back in, put the cover back on. Let's go ahead and plug this in so you can see how it works. So this is my laundry room. I have my kitty litter in here. So I want to go ahead and purify the air since the cat's always in here. So I went ahead and plugged it in. It's on. The green light indicator means that the filters are clean. If it's orange, that means it's poor. And once it's red, that's bad. So you need to clean the filters. So you can clean them on orange or on red, up to you. The control panel up here, it's a touch screen. So right here you have a timer. So it has 2, 4, there you go, there's 0, 2, 4, 6, and 8 hours. So it turns off as soon as the timer's up. That's your power button in the middle, and the fan speed, you have 4 speeds. So you touch it. I'm on speed 4 right now. There's 1, speed 2, speed 3, and speed 4. So it sucks in the air from here on both sides, the front and the back, and the air blows out through here. So it's not too loud. 4, you could hear it, but it's still not too loud. It just sounds like an air purifier. So here you have it. Really nice. Right next to my kitty litter.